Hey guys, we're back with the 83 Nutone Proline again. Talked about this one before because it has a slightly different motor shape than I'm used to, and perhaps more importantly, it came with a different lower canopy than I was used to. It came with, and I'll take you over here to see it, this lower canopy here. And I've seen that lower canopy on 4-blade fans before, but I've never seen it on a 3-blade. I asked around to see if anyone else had ever seen a lower canopy other than this, either in plastic or metal, on a safer of any type. A couple of guys also seen him on the 4-blade, but other than that, no one had seen him on anything. So I was going to do the video today and put that lower canopy that came on it, and then put an actual Nutone upper canopy. This right now is a lower canopy from a safer Airmaster and upper canopy from a safer Airmaster. And then I realized, because no one's ever seen this version before, and I got it missing the upper canopy, we have no idea what type of upper canopy it would have actually come with. So if I put the stock lower canopy and a Nutone upper canopy, that might not be correct. So I decided to stick with the safer canopies, the Airmaster canopies rather, because at least we knew that those canopies theoretically would be correct on this style of fan, even if they're not original to this particular one. So, yeah, that's the confusion there. Changed the capacitor. It had a 4.5 microfarad capacitor in it, but it was had drifted down to about 3.5. I can't remember if it was 3.5, 3.75, somewhere in that range. Definitely well less than 4. So I might have accepted anything down to like 4 1/4, but definitely wasn't going to go below 4. So I put a genuine 4.5 that I tested that was in spec, and so we're going to go through all the controls again. So with the 4-speed Fastco, here's low. .24. If anything, that seems slower than it was with the other control, which is the way it should be. The more it draws on high, the slower it's going to go on low. Nice, beautiful low speed. Okay, let's take it up to medium low. We're now drawing 0.48. Medium high. We're now drawing 0.65, which is what it was drawing on high before, so we know that we've made a difference. And good God, is it cold up here. Let's go to high. 0.73. If memory serves, and I could be wrong, if memory serves, this fan actually on medium high before, it had a resonant frequency and was going faster than on high. So it's interesting that that resonant frequency is eliminated by changing the capacitor, only slightly. That's high. I really don't want to do my airflow test because it's 30 degrees up here, but I will try. I'm wearing warm clothes, so I'm not going to be able to tell as much. The airflow test is much more effective in the summertime. But yeah, we're moving some serious air back here. It's a lot more than it was before. It's a constant, gentle breeze if you want to compare it to some of the other industrials that I've tested. It's not a constant, strong breeze or sporadic gusts like some of the other industrials, but it's definitely doing a lot more than, for example, the residential fans. Okay, I am going to turn it off rather, and let it spin down and change the control. So let me find my patented camera stand, which is a roll of shop towels that I believe technically are supposed to go back in Andy's car, and I just forgot that I had them until I needed something to prop the phone up on. Okay. Let's get the Nutone, not the Nutone, this is a Nutone. Let's get the Leslie Lock Evergo. Actually, that's an interesting question. That Leslie Lock that I tested up here, was it Union or Evergo? I don't remember. Plug in the 5-speeder. I'm going to take some of these controls with me tomorrow. Got some more fans to test at the other place. And then Wednesday or Thursday I'll have some really cool stuff to test here depending on when the shipment gets in. Got a couple things arriving this week that are commercial. So be excited. I know I am. Okay, speed 5, which is drawing 0.29. A little bit faster than the capacitor-based control. Speed 4, drawing 0.36, 0.37. Speed 3, drawing 0.46. Speed 2, 0.52. It's so weird to me because the more I look at this, the motor shape reminds me, and then high, 0.75. The more I look at this, let it get up to speed. The motor shape reminds me of the later Airmasters. Kind of like the stamped ones that I have a big pile of over there, but realistically even like the cast ones that immediately predated those. That's what it looks the most like to me. But again, it's labeled 83. Unless, of course, those date codes are not date codes at all, and we've been had, but it seems ironic that fans made in the 80s would be labeled 83, 84, and 86, and who knows what other dates, I have to look at them, and they not actually be date codes. Last but not least, we have the infinitely variable solid-state control. Okay, I'm going to do this with leaving the camera in place so that I can better adjust the trim. Inch it up from the lowest possible speed. Oops. Went up rather quickly there. We're at 0.13 now, 0.14, 0.5. Point 2 is where we start apparently. It's a little buzzy. Okay, let's go up 1/8 of a turn, takes us to 0.3. Go up another 1/8 of a turn, takes us to 0.45. Definitely too buzzy for my tastes. Let's go up another 1/8 of a turn, 0.59. pretty close to high. The difference between that and high is another eighth of a turn. Here's high. Okay, spinning down. I'm going to take the 4-speed and the variable control with me. I did a video with the old Jacksonville earlier today that I didn't even have the amp meter with me. They were all over here because we had a big snowstorm and I left all my tools here on Saturday because I needed to come back here on Sunday and sell an organ. And since because of the snowstorm, everybody was snowed in, and the guy couldn't come by the organ, and I couldn't come out here and work, and so everything got left here. Okay. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this safer Nutone. I'd love to have my questions answered, but if you have any questions that I can answer, then please post those as well. Thanks for watching.